Madam Speaker, the Honourable Acting Prime Minister, Honourable Leader of Opposition, I would like to thank the Honourable Member Unival for the question. The Ministry of Youth and Sports has already accredited the programs we offer to our youth training centre for Certificate 3 in Carpentry, Certificate 4 in Organic Agriculture and Certificate 4 in Music from the Fiji Education. The second part of training is mobile training, where our resource personnel are taken to the Tikina, and the youth from the village around the Tikina decided what type of training they want. We take it to them. During the past cyclone, we had one in Rotuma, and right now we are having one in Onilau. This allows us to issue certificates of attainment rather than participation, which are more marketable for our trainees as they search for work. Madam Speaker, the Certificate 3 in Carpentry program provides a second chance for school leavers, youth and disengaged learners who wish to obtain a carpentry qualification, which would offer them the opportunity to earn a decent living. That Certificate 3 will allow them to sit for Certificate 2, then Certificate 1. This is either through self or paid employment, hence providing the necessary leverage and transition to the world of work, or to continue on to advance or formal learning, or to establish their own small business. We are providing choices, Madam Speaker, where they did not previously exist. Similarly, Madam Speaker, the Certificate 4 in Organic Agriculture promotes sustainable development for youths in Fiji through organic farming practices, developing a holistic approach emphasizing the interconnectedness of agriculture, ecological integrity and the human spirit. In addition, Madam Speaker, through a partnership with the Organizational for Industry, Spiritual and Cultural Advancement, some of our trainees get the opportunity to pursue further studies in Japan after the organic farming training of 6 months in Nassau, to hone their skills in further training organic farming on the return to Fiji. Madam Speaker, the Certificate 4 in Music program focus on recognizing and appreciating the music and its application in choir, brass band and deaf band. All of this runs in the veins of the Fijians. And this year we are targeting a recording studio for youths. It is we have been approached by the locals that they want to do the recording at the studio when it opens. So we have in this Certificate 4 in Music, we have 2 young people from Tuvalu attending this training to add a more diverse approach. So a component of the program also covers performance of traditional protocol music and dances. The Ministry provides non-formal education in residential environment. As I've mentioned before, we take it out to the villages, to the Tikina, where youth from the villages attend this training. This ensures that young people from our remote areas who would otherwise not get access to such opportunity get a second chance and a further opportunity to choose to apply their newfound skill at home or to continue studies in a more formal environment, or to create employment for themselves and others. And we are open to registered youth and all youth all over Fiji, and thank you for that opportunity, Madam Speaker.